It's Tuesday, so let's make tacos. I decided to try this Mexican food that my family loves so much. A little disclaimer, I'm obviously not Mexican, but I love the food, so don't judge my method. So I start by adding my ground beef and steaming it up in my pan. At this point, I just knew that I had to use a bigger pot because the fluid from this meat was so much. To get that out, I used the old method of soaking paper towel to drain out the water. Every step I have taken here is what I have seen others do, so please don't judge me. So I go in with my chopped onions. I saute that for just a bit before going in with my spices. Some garlic powder, some chicken bouillon, lots and lots of taco seasoning. Yes, it's taco, so the seasoning has to be a lot. Slap your mama seasoning. Anyone knows why this is called slap your mama and not slap your dada? By the way, this page does not support violence, so we move. So I add my diced tomatoes. I fried this down for quite some time because I needed the water from the tomato to dry out. And once that was dry, I went in with a combination of my mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I cooked that down as well. And once that was done, it was time to add this to my tortilla wraps. Again, I used the popular method of holding it down with a mason jar. To retain its shape, I guess, I ended up getting 2 poundfuls of these tacos and then I baked them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Whilst that was baking, I went on to prepare the best creamy avocado cilantro lime sauce. So to my blender, I add some cilantro leaves, a whole avocado, sour cream, about 5 cloves of garlic, some lime juice as well as the lime zest, some avocado oil, some ground cumin, because I hear it makes it taste a whole lot better, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and about 2 tablespoonfuls of water. And then I blended this until it was nice and smooth. One ingredient I almost forgot to add was salt, so I added that in and blended it until it was fine and smooth and transferred it into the squeezed butter. At this time, my tacos was out of the oven. I then add some chopped lettuce and some chopped tomatoes. I squeezed my sauce over them and you can bet from the look of it that it was so amazing. If you do come across this video and you're Mexican or you're very good with Mexican food, please let me know what I didn't do right or what I should have done better so that I can learn from that. Thank you for watching, and even if you don't like my recipe or you think it's not the best, just save it to remind yourself that if I could do it, you self can. And I will see you in my next one. Follow for more. Bye.